As we start 2026 with good intentions, maybe you've started the gym, or maybe you've just quit smoking. Well done. But for many people, as the start of the year, you're going, oh, I just need help with this, that, and the other. And that's what this video is about. If you've quit smoking, then Aspire, with myself, are here to help you on that journey as we look at the latest device from Aspire, the Vilter Max. Now, the Vilter range has been around for a long time. It's about really fulfilling the cessation of smoking as you try and quit. Not something that's easily done, but I think this perfectly mimics, so we should get on and take a look. This is the Aspire Vilter Max. Now, it's available in 6 colours at launch. It comes in a little box like that, and you also get a charging cable for your device, which is USB-C, and a filter tip. Here's the thing, it's a filter tip, but it's for vaping, so it's a filter tip. And these are fully replaceable, so you pick up replacements of these in a multi-pack, and it just simply represents a mouthpiece if you're used to vaping devices. If not, then they normally come like this, but in this instance you've got the choice of swapping it across to a filter tip, so same feeling as a cigarette tip, which is really trying to replace the habit and keep it as close as we can, just for those that are really struggling. So this is the new device from Aspire. You can see the branding just down there at the base. Nice patterns on it. It looks like a small pod device within a bigger device. An airflow hole on the side there, so you can pull the air into the pod, and your USB-C charge point, which is 2 amp, which is a quick charge. The Vilter range comes with pods. These are disposable pods. They connect by magnets to your device, so when you drop it inside, those magnets hold it in place. This orange bit here, we peel back, and that is how we fill the pod. So we pour our liquid into there. Also, we've got on there the resistance of the coil. So this one is a 0.8, but there's also a 1 ohm option available in the Vilter pods, and they are cross-compatible or backwards compatible with the previous versions. These mouthpieces just switch out, so I'll drop that one down to the side. I take my new one here and I just place that in, so I can see there I've got the arrow facing downwards. Let me just show you clearly. Arrow facing downwards, push that down, and that now is my Vilter tip. I'm not aware of a 3mm version internationally, so Europe gets the same as everywhere else on this occasion. It is inhale activated. Inside the body we've got an 1800 milliamp hour battery, and that is massive. I've never known such a big battery for a starter device, a beginner device. This is something that's going to accommodate the heaviest of smoker who's trying to quit. So that battery is going to well outlast the juice capacity. As the battery runs out on this one, you will see on the back here there's an LED. You can just see the cutout for it. I'll show you in a moment how that one illuminates. And it's green in the top third of charge, blue in the middle, and red as the device needs recharging. So you just put in your USB-C, which comes with the device, and charge it up. But it is 2 amp fast charge, so there's not a lot of downtime on this one. So with this device, the variables are very restricted. You've got the 0.8 ohm pod, which comes with the device. When this one burns out, you would replace the whole pod, and you can then pick up a 1 ohm if you want a more restricted inhale, but there's no adjustable airflow on this, so it's just the middle of the pod that's going to allow that airflow. It is restricted by this tiny little cutout on the front of the device. And let's just have a look at how it vapes. So you get a great amount of vapor production out of the 0.8. I'm actually quite surprised by that. Flavour on these is incredible. It's Aspire. They've been around for a very long time now. This one here, once you put your liquid in, you're literally just keeping an eye on your liquid level on the front of the device on this one. And if you're unsure at all, just pop the pod out and make sure you've got enough liquid. That is the only issue that you could possibly have with a device that's this easy, is running your liquid low, and then the cotton would singe as it's not saturated. So that's going to destroy your pod a lot quicker than it should do. I would expect a pod like this to last a heavy user at least a week. For most people, it's going to be about a week and a half before you're going to get real flavour drop off. As soon as the flavour kind of degrades, you're going to be wanting to look at getting a new pod for this one. The filter tips will get wet, so the cotton inside this, or the kind of papery material, it will pick up the steam that you're inhaling. So over time, certainly for me, after about a day, I noticed that they are a little bit soggy inside. So that's the point where you'll want to be picking up a pack of these just to replace them as you go. But it really depends how long you're inhaling for, to how much condensation the mouthpiece picks up, or the Vilter picks up. This is the Aspire Vilter. What do I think? Well, it's perfect for any beginner out there. If you've just quit and maybe you're on a small pod device, one of these replaceable, disposable style devices, then this is the perfect crossover. You've got now the choice of all of the bottles of juices, all of those 50/50 Nick salts that you might find in a store, to replace in this one. So it's going to give you lots more options as you try and quit smoking. And if you are concerned about these filter tips, you do have the benefit of it coming with this standard mouthpiece. So if you're concerned about, oh, I've not only got to get juice and replacement pods, I'm also going to have to change the Vilter tip, well, you don't have to, because it does have this standard one. If you've already got loads of devices with replaceable tips, they don't unfortunately fit this one. It's not a 510 cross-compatible connection, it's slightly smaller. If you want to know what I think about other products, there are more about to appear on the screen any time now. So be quick, hit the like button before you leave, and look at this suggestion. It's a good one. Bye!